Welcome to Review Rumble. The best R4iSDHC is probably one of the most versatile and sought-after accessories for Nintendo DS and DSi users, offering a gateway to a world of homebrew applications, emulators, and even multimedia playback, transforming your handheld into a much more powerful device than it was originally designed to be. And today we're diving deep into what makes this particular model stand out from the crowd and whether it truly lives up to the hype. Number 5. MetaQuest 2 128GB VR Headset. Experience total immersion with 3D positional audio, hand tracking, and intuitive controllers. These features work together to make virtual worlds feel incredibly real. Dive into an ever-expanding universe with over 500 titles. You can explore gaming, fitness, social experiences, and entertainment, including exclusive VR content. Enjoy fast and smooth gameplay with stunning, immersive graphics. A powerful processor ensures high-speed action unfolds seamlessly around you. Travel to new universes in fantasy blockbusters, face your fears in horror adventures, or team up with friends. Come together in social spaces and multiplayer arenas. Be truly free to explore in virtual reality. With a wireless headset, intuitive controls, and a built-in battery, setup is easy and no PC or console is needed. Play without worries by setting up your designated play space. You'll receive alerts if you move outside of this safe zone. What we like. Experience unparalleled immersion with its all-in-one design and wireless freedom. If you are looking for a seamless VR experience without the need for external hardware, this is the perfect choice. Its expansive library ensures endless entertainment for every type of user. What people say. The controllers operate two lightsabers, one in each hand, and the object of this game is to swat the approaching blocks in the direction indicated by the arrow on them. There are also occasional large obstacles coming at you, like skinny walls, which appear like three-dimensional line drawings as they approach. You can't swat these aside and the idea is to avoid them. In most cases, this entails just stepping out of their way, either to the right or the left, but dependent on some choices you make in Beat Saber, some of these objects can be wide and impossible to avoid unless you duck as they approach. No way to jump over them. The mechanism has you define a space where you are going to be, literally drawing a perimeter line. It's not because the machine is worried you might step off the big building you only think you're on, but when you're playing a game like Beat Saber, you want to make sure that your arm movements don't knock over a lamp your Aunt Ethel gave you for Christmas last year, or in moving your legs around, you don't accidentally kick the screen out of your new smart TV. The quality of sensors is top-notch. The tracking is extremely accurate. It's relatively lightweight and can run off battery, which means no cables. Very convenient and definitely the future direction. Number 4. Inland 32GB Class 10 SDHC Flash Memory Card, 2-pack. Capture all your memories with this generous 32GB storage. This pack comes with 2 cards, offering ample space for your photos and videos. Experience quick file transfers and rapid picture shooting with read speeds up to 60 MB/s and write speeds of 10 MB/s. It's designed for seamless performance. Enjoy smooth and sustained video recording for your full HD content. Its Class 10 speed rating ensures reliable performance for all your recording needs. Please note that these are SDHC cards and are only compatible with SDHC SDXC host devices. They are not backwards compatible and may not work with older devices. Built with a rugged construction, this card is designed to resist damage. It also comes with a 3-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. Due to their physical dimensions, these full-size SD cards are not compatible with mobile phones. Please ensure your device supports the standard SDHC format. What we like. This high-capacity memory card offers a durable build, optimized for trail cameras. If you need reliable storage for continuous recording and quick file transfers in rugged conditions, this 2-pack is an excellent value. It's ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and surveillance needs. What people say. The inland 64GB Class 10 SDXC flash memory cards have been very reliable and work perfectly in trail cameras and other devices that use full-size SD cards. The UHSIU1 speed is more than enough for photos and video, and the cards handle continuous use without issues. I like the 64GB capacity, which provides plenty of storage for long deployments without constant card changes. Having a 5-pack is especially convenient for running multiple trail cameras or keeping spares on hand. I originally got these for my game camera but have started using them for transferring files from older laptops to my new one. I use them in my digital camera, my cassette and CD to MP3 equipment, memory bank on my Donner electric drum set. These things have so many uses. Not only are they easy to use and smaller than a thumb drive, they're easily formatted for anything and most of the time they are recognized without any work. They write and transfer faster than a thumb drive and don't have any moving parts to wear out. Number 3. Nintendo Switch Neon Blue-Red Joy-Con. Experience ultimate gaming flexibility with the Nintendo Switch. Play in TV mode, tabletop mode, or handheld mode, adapting to your environment. Immerse yourself in games on the stunning 6.2-inch multi-touch capacitive screen. Its vibrant display brings your favorite titles to life with incredible detail. Enjoy gaming on the go for longer with 4.5 to 9+ hours of battery life. This ensures your adventures continue without frequent interruptions. Take your multiplayer experience online with Wi-Fi connectivity. You can also connect up to 8 consoles for thrilling local wireless battles. This versatile console offers endless entertainment possibilities. Its adaptable design and robust features make it perfect for any gamer. What we like. Enjoy ultimate gaming flexibility with its 3-in-1 versatility, offering TV, tabletop, and handheld modes. If you value portability and extended playtime with its impressive battery life, this is the console for you. It's perfect for gamers on the go and those who enjoy diverse play styles. What people say. The Switch is both a home console and a portable console in one unit. The Switch allows you to replace the side controllers if they wear out over time. The Switch offers play on your TV screen or handheld. Number 2. R4iSDHC Gold Pro 8GB Micro SD Kit. Introducing the R4iSDHC Gold Pro Kit. This versatile accessory is designed to expand the capabilities of your Nintendo consoles. It features the latest card version, ensuring full support for your 3DS, 3DS XL, 2DS, DSi, and DS Lite. Play your favorite games and applications seamlessly. Transform your device into a media powerhouse. You can now enjoy ebooks, run homebrew applications, and even use it as a media player. It supports a wide range of multimedia files, bringing your entertainment to life. Experience features like real-time saves and user cheats for an enhanced gaming experience. This kit comes complete with an 8GB micro SD card, providing ample storage for all your needs right out of the box. Simply insert it into your console and unlock a world of new possibilities. It's the perfect upgrade for any Nintendo enthusiast. What we like. This offers full compatibility with the latest consoles and functions as a multimedia player. If you want a complete kit that includes a memory card and supports real-time saves and cheats, this is a great option. It's ideal for users looking to expand their gaming and media capabilities right out of the box. What people say. This works really well. Comes preloaded with a lot of games if you have an older DS and just want to be able to play your backup downloaded games. The setup for this card is great and you can even expand the micro SD card depending on size. I went from the pre-installed 4GB card to a 32GB card. I wiped and formatted to 32 FAT memory and copied everything from the original 4GB card to the new one and loaded my library there, and it was amazing. The pre-installed library is great and the UI pretty straightforward for anyone to test, or if you want to give it to a child with a DSi or 3DS to just plug and play and have fun, but expanding to the GBA, NES, and DCware libraries is a ton of fun. You can even play multiplayer games by simply getting a second device. I used multiple Nintendo DSi and did not have any disconnecting issues on DS games, but opening to other game libraries for multiplayer there might be issues. Also, I did not find any weird files like other reviews stated, so I cannot address that. But the only issues to address that may be a turn-off, as others have stated, is these do not store 3DS games. And the time bomb, which after the time expires will render your cartridge useless, but if you can overlook that and find some 20 to 30 minutes to customize your library preference and fix the time bomb expiration, this is an amazing deal to pay for at the moment. As someone who's only recently explored flashcards, I was quite surprised that this one actually worked as advertised. It feels and fits just like an actual DS cartridge, so the quality's pretty nice. It is a little more snug than a standard cartridge, but it's meant to stay in your DS for long periods of time. Number 1. R4 2025 R4 XMP SDHC Dual Core Update Adapter. Introducing the R4 2025 R4XMP SDHC dual-core update adapter. This advanced memory card adapter is designed to enhance your gaming experience. It offers broad compatibility with a range of Nintendo handheld consoles. This includes the original DS, DS Lite, DSi, 2DS, and 3DS systems. Unlike many other adapters, this one features no time bomb. This ensures that it will not expire on a certain date, providing long-term usability. This adapter runs the R4XMP kernel, a variant of the ACE 3DS Plus kernel. This provides a stable and reliable platform for your games. Please note that the kernel needs to be manually installed onto your micro SD card. Instructions and a download link are provided on the packaging. This is the latest 2025 version, ensuring you have the most up-to-date features and performance. Enjoy your updated gaming experience. What we like. Benefit from its dual-core performance and the latest kernel without any time bomb limitations. If you're seeking a reliable and future-proof solution for your older Nintendo handhelds, this is the one to get. It ensures long-term usability and access to homebrew content. What people say. I also love the USB adapter it came with, makes transferring files between SD cards so much easier than using an SD card adapter. The setup was straightforward, even for a user who misread a few of the initial steps. The manufacturer provided a solid guide that got me back on track quickly. This has worked flawlessly so far. You just download the files from the provided website and it's plug and play. My Nintendo DS Lite works perfect with everything. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.